device can tell you that they're smiling. It's like having a personal narrator for your life. What's even more extraordinary is that this technology is free, accessible to anyone with a smartphone. This is AI at its best, breaking barriers and creating a more inclusive world. Incredible, isn't it? How AI can be a literal eye-opener. So what's the big picture here? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game changer in the realm of accessibility. It's not just about futuristic robots or self-driving cars, but about creating an environment that adapts to individual needs, making the world more accessible for everyone. In our journey so far, we've seen two powerful examples of how AI is paving the way for this. Google's Live Transcribe, a real-time transcription service, uses AI to convert spoken language into written text. This ingenious creation is not just a translation tool, but a lifeline for the deaf and hard-of-hearing community, allowing them to engage in conversations and social interactions that may have otherwise been out of reach. Similarly, Microsoft's Seeing AI is another beacon of hope. This app uses AI to narrate the visual world, opening up new possibilities for those with visual impairments. From reading out printed text to identifying products by their barcodes, Seeing AI is essentially the eyes for those who cannot see. These are just two instances among many where AI is breaking barriers and opening doors. By tailoring solutions to individual needs, AI is creating a more inclusive world. It's not about creating a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather about understanding and adapting to the unique needs of each individual. As we move ahead, remember, AI isn't just about robots and self-driving cars, it's about creating a world that's accessible to everyone, regardless of their ability.